Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a purchase in Quillbot. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on the account there. And after that you can just press on your account here and press on restore your purchase. And you can restore any purchase that you have made in the past or subscription, as you can see. And right now I don't have any, so in my case this is not going to work. If you had a previous premium subscription, then you will be able to restore it with a single pressing there. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.